All right, Graham. So I dry fit the door frame or the door jamb, and I just have to go ahead and take 3/30 seconds, so just a little over a 1/16 of an inch off of both sides. But you know, you can see here how friggin' crazy perfect that is. So we grew a 32nd of an inch from top to bottom. We're at 80 and an eighth, and we're at 80 and an eighth strong, or plus a 32nd. But I mean, you could see how tight everything is. And this was kind of a cool detail. You could see in here, I had to scribe that, you know, because this descends. And a lot of time for ease of installation, a fabricator will bring the leg down, but I like to die my leg on top, which proved to be, you know, super fucking challenging. But, you know, you could see how tight the joints are, and it's straight like an arrow, man. 40 inches over, which is the exact measurement that I set for the door. So we're pretty much in. The curtain walls are gonna just look crazy. And I mean, these reveals aren't correct, you know, because this is on one plane, so everything's flat from the bottom. But essentially, once the 1/2 inch plywood is here, and then the 3/4 inch vertical grain Douglass Fir on the top and bottom, there'll be a 1/2 inch reveal. Actually, there'll be a 1/2 inch reveal here, and then this will be an 1/8 strong higher than that. So this detail is going to be just ever so slightly proud of here. And I'm going to do probably a round over detail on the outside. I'm not going to flash that just because it's so friggin' tight. I'll just put a nice clean bead of caulk in there. I mean, I'm not sure. I might flash, you know, because there's going to be flashing up above, and then there's also going to be flashing here as well, you know. But once this falls down, like, I still got to cut my angles tomorrow. But, you know, you could see how tight this thing is. Like, you look at those details. You can't get much tighter than that. Here, we're just a little gap. It's like a 32nd, but we're tight at the bottom. So you can kind of see that, but I can make that go away with some caulk. That's not going to be a problem. And actually, it's less than that. I just slid that out. It's like a 32nd of an inch. So we're golden, man. Trying to treat wood like metal, even though it's not metal. Man, does this take a long time, dude. Shit. I mean, these scribes, those scribes on the decline angle, like that crap right there, it took me like an hour per scribe, because I got to do it all. It's combination saw, you know, pneumatic saw, and then hand saw. Anyways, I'm crashing.